Here's another area water was finding its way into the basement. Downspout pouring down right there. An old clogged line, guess what? All the water is just going to pour right at the foundation. What happens on an old clogged line? The water builds up in the gutter trough. It can't find its way out, through the downspout. If you got an old clogged line and the water just backs up, now it cascades over the trough. And now it's pouring right along the foundation of the basement. This is how water finds its way into your basement. So the guys did a beautiful job. This isn't easy, but this is what you need to do to get the water out far enough and safe enough so that you don't have problems. They dug through the landscape. They dug and tunneled under the boulders. Look at this. I just got to brag on this crew. Look at this. They're not going to let anything get in their way. So they used a 3.5 on this 2x3 downspout. Perfect. Match made in heaven. We have a 3.5-inch line on a 2x3 downspout. I couldn't be happier. The men did a perfect job. Then they safely put the catch basin here. We got crazy slope out of there. And then we have a very invasive ground cover. We really don't want our catch basin inside that landscape. We want to get it out here as soon as we could. We had a good spot to put the catch basin. That's what the guys did. Then they continued to take that water safely to where the grade kind of settles down. We want to get over here. We're not going to have any erosion issues. We're far enough away from the house now. This is a picture-perfect downspout line. Now, the catch basin ended up quite deep. I want to point this out. The men had to use 2 risers. These risers give you 2 inches of lift. No glue, no screws. They don't leak. They're fantastic. The men used these 2 risers. They got this lid set perfect to grade. Really good job. Attention to detail. I can't ask anything more from this crew. Beautiful work.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about yard drainage, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.